baby!
I've been watching you. Just come to me.
Oh, you're gonna go straight here instead of turn right. You're straight.
Season, either on a picnic blanket or a table service. The holiday fun.
I'm pretty sure that bicycle crossed on the red.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm still got blurry vision, I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I
know I'm not gonna run
always do the wrong thing.
So I don't care.
I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already.
Go get her,
I'm
baby.
so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've
Go
lost
get her, baby.
already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Coloricit, not money. Ay! Kuyun! What's that?
I think part of the tree just fell down in front of me. I'm gonna on the oh
I think it was my turn.
yeah, I think it was your turn.
Okay.
Good. I saw him same time you did, Alex. Good. Paying attention there.
Oh.
There's a Hobie 18 Magnum right there.
Ay, ano?
Let's go, buddy. Good golly. I guess you really don't want to go anywhere, do you?
Oh.
Oh, he's lost. He's lost.
My goodness.
He doesn't know where he wants to go.
What's likely going to happen with the law enforcement, the ranks of law enforcement from the vax mandate? We've got more data. It's all consistent. It's all bad news. First traffic. And thank you, Carl. Let's take a look at that rough Friday afternoon commute. Northbound 5 is heavy up the coast as usual. About an hour to get you from the 8 to the 78. But southbound 5 is bad as well. You're on the brakes pretty well from the 78 down to Loma Santa Fe. We have a ladder in travel lanes southbound 5 at La Costa Avenue that's causing some issues as well. At least a few vehicles have struck this ladder. Also, southbound 805, you're on the brakes heading into the South Bay. 36 minutes to get you from the split down to the 54 connector. Northbound 805, also slow through the Golden Triangle area. Watch out for some debris in travel lanes northbound 805 at Merrimack Boulevard. Southbound 805, we have a crash that's now reported at University Avenue. I'm Jared Edwards. Coverage next real-time traffic update is coming up at 3:32. San Diego's news and information station. 48-year-old Suzanne Paul.
Well, this guy just got out of the right lane. Now he wants to get back in the right lane? Oh no, he's going in the left lane. He doesn't know what lane he wants. What's going on over there? Is that a guy or a girl? Yeah, what right there? Looks like they're talking to somebody. He's having a debate with somebody. Look at him.
That's crazy.
He's talking to somebody. He sees somebody that we don't see. That's sad.
I didn't expect perfection.
Oh, you were right behind me. Now you're going to go jump up there.
Transparency when it comes to
Good move, buddy. It was right behind me.
You imagine sending your kid to a school and there's suddenly all these non-English speaking migrants in the class, teenage boys, no parents around. Man, there's a lot of bad stuff that wacky leaderless administration is doing. All right, we got more coming up. Johnny,
baby! Good move there, buddy. Hope you don't get killed up there.
Well, this didn't happen that long ago. And consequently, Chrissy Teigen, who is married to John Legend and has like a pot that she sells at Target or a frying pan.
Line cutter.
Yeah. Huh? What? Leon? I don't know what's that.
Dude, I was dodging that car.
San Diego weather, mostly cloudy, showers possible, mostly near the mountains. Today's highs in the low 60s. Warm and sunny tomorrow, then cooler with another chance of showers Thursday, warmer for the weekend. Right now downtown, mostly cloudy, 61. I'm Marilyn Hyder. Your next update at 12:30.
Okay, buddy,
Stay
come
connected,
on.
stay informed on San Diego's breaking news station, News Radio
Good
600
God,
Pogo.
you should have waited.
Decorations down.
Oh, come on in there, buddy.
There's assault weapons. The evidence does not support any type of ban on
Good job there,
common
buddy.
firearms.
Stopping yet. Have you taught him that trick? That would be the first thing. Learn from the master, grasshopper.
Oh boy,
You're rolling coal, I see.
I think he just blew an engine.
Straight. But it's telling me to exit here.
Woo! That was a rocket ship just went by. He just got in this lane.
Then turn right onto Briarwood Road.
Is it one?
He passed us on the right and then got in front of this truck up here and kept on going.
At the light, use the right lane to turn onto Briarwood Road.
I missed my exit.
In 2.6
that's all right.
miles,
I'm
take
kinda glad you
exit
missed
2
it, so
to
you
merge
didn't
onto
get in that truck.
I-805 South.
That's scary.
Black Angus ahead of me or behind me?
And you need to go the left all the way. My gosh, Daddy, how many years you're here?
I don't usually go to Black Angus from Home Depot.
Which way or whichever you go?
I wasn't lost.
Oh,
I knew I made right here in El Cajon.
oh my goodness. Turn right. We go home.
If we were coming from the other direction, you would have turned right.
But we come from the other direction, so we need to turn right. Oh my goodness, you're still lost! El Cajon. Ay, nako.
Wait, who's that?
If Cody can talk, yeah, he knew already. Say, hey, you're lost.